Now once timeware has been uninstalled, it's time to install the new version. If you do need the new installer, you can get it from our website at nmd3hosting.com and then timeware professional. If you scroll down to here, you should see timeware professional 2023, and then if you click download here, it will download the new version. Now once you have the installer ready, if you just right click and then run as administrator, and then select yes, then click next and yes, and then if you select the custom option, our default path is the C drive. If you do need to change the drive location, if you just change the letter here to the drive, but by default we have this as the C drive, and then next, and then if you untick the server option, and then next again, and next. Once that's finished installing, if you just click finish, and then if you try to run the timeware application, it should let you use it as normal.